Okay, good afternoon, children. So, multiplication of decimals we are going to see. So, you can open page number 94. Now, first we will see the properties of multiplication, means like we had for addition and subtraction properties. For here multiplication also we have to follow some rules for multiplication. Okay, so here when any decimal, now 5.1 multiplied with 1, any decimal is multiplied with 1, always we will get the answer as the same decimal. The properties are same as the natural number and whole number, but only little here decimal change is there, decimal point. When any decimal is multiplied with 0, the answer is 0 only. Any decimal is multiplied with 0, answer is 0 only. This you have to remember. Okay? So these are the main properties. Now next is order property, means if you change the order of two decimals, we are going to get same answer. 5.6 multiplied with 4.6, whatever product will come, same answer will be there if you change the order. 4.6 into 5.6. Okay, both answers will be same only. So here also we are having grouping property and order property, zero property and identity one property. Okay, same properties are there for decimals also, which are there for the natural numbers. Okay. Now first we are going to see multiplication of decimals by whole number. First, we are going to see multiplication of decimals by whole number. Now we know whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3. These are whole numbers. And decimal numbers means 1.2, 5.3, means having the decimal point. Now we will see how we can multiply whole number and a decimal number. Okay. So let us take example. For example, 9.2 multiplied with 5. Now here one example I have taken, 9.2 multiplied with 5. So see carefully how to do. When we are multiplying, we should not take the decimal point. Only we have to take the numbers. Yes? What? Any doubt is there? You are telling answer. Wait. Here, when we are multiplying, like for addition and subtraction, we have to write the decimal point. But for multiplication, we have not to write. Directly we have to take 92. Multiply with 5. We have to multiply first. And then we have to put the decimal point. Now here 9.2 is there, but I have to, here 92 only I have taken. Now multiply. 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45 plus 1, 46. Yes. Now after multiplying, after getting the answer, what we have to see? That here, after decimal point, how many digits are there? 1. So after decimal point, how many digits are there? That much from right side we have to come. Shreyash, decimal point. So answer is 46.0. Got understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, means we have to see the here we have to see decimal point. After decimal point, how many digits are there? If one digit is there, from right side we have to count one, and we have to put a decimal point. Okay, we'll take again some more examples. Three 3.12 multiplied with 9. So first take 312 full number multiply with 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 ones are 9 plus 1. 10. 9 threes are 27 plus 1. 28. Yes, very good. So we got 2808. Now, yes, now tell me after decimal point how many digits are there? 2 digits. So from right side we have to count 1, 2 and we have to put a point here. So answer is 28.08. Yes, very good. Understood how to do? Yes? Got? Okay, we'll take again some more examples will do. One hundred 1.86 multiplied with 13. So first take full 10186 multiply with 13. So if you know 13 table directly, we can multiply with 13. 13 6 are 78. 13 3s are 8 are 13 8s are 104 plus 7. Yes. 1 1 1. So here 11 and here 1. 1 1 1. Yes. 13 ones are 13 plus 11. 24. 13 zeros are 0. 2. 13 ones are 13. Just mute yourself. Someone disturbance is coming. Okay. Here we can see after decimal 2 digits are there. So from here we have to count 2 digits. 1, 2 and we have to put a decimal point. So answer is 1324.18. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
All understood how to do? Only here same multiplication is there. Only the decimal point, putting the decimal point is important. Mute yourself, children. Yes, someone has mute yourself. Sai Prasad. Sai Prasad, mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Now this is division multiplication of whole number. Now we will see multiplication of a decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, by 10, 100 and 1000. Now, whenever we have to multiply any decimal by multiple of 10, that is 10, 100 and 1000, we have not to do the long multiplication. Directly we can use a shortcut method. Here, Sarthak,
What is the number and try how to use that here.
here, yes Shreya, any doubt?
No, I have a network issue. Ma'am.
Okay. Shreya, you are having any doubt? Okay.
Now I cannot hear your voice.
So your network issue is there. Here it's clear. All other can hear.
Now I cannot hear your voice.
You can see video afterwards. Okay, listen.
Your voice is not.
Okay, listen. When we have to multiply with 10, 100 and 1000, we have not to multiply. Directly we can use a shortcut method, that is the shifting of decimal. Shifting of decimal method that we can use. Okay, shifting of decimal. Okay. See, I will tell you that method. For example, if I will take 8.75 multiplied with 10. Now see carefully how to do. No need to multiply. Directly we can tell the answer, like for question 10 remainder, directly we used to write question 10 remainder. No. Like that we can do directly this. Okay. See here. Here 10 is there and 10 is having 1 0. Means whenever here 1 0 is there, we have to shift this decimal point to one digit to right side. Means this point will shift this side. It will become 87.5. See, we will multiply and see our answer is correct or not. 8.75 multiplied with 10. 10 5s are 15. 10 7s are 70 plus 5, 75. 10 8s are 80 plus 7, 87. After decimal point, 2 digits. So 1, 2. Yes, we got same answer 87.5. Here also 87.50 is same as 87.5. Yes, we are getting same answer. Yes. Yes. So why to multiply then? No need to multiply. Directly we can do what we have to do. Understand carefully. If 10 is there means this point you have to shift to right side. Why I am forcing on right side? Because in division you have to shift to left side. So for multiplication, when they multiply, you have to shift to right side, this side. Okay. Now for example, multiply with 100. 100 is having 2 zeros. So this point will shift to 2 digits. 1, 2. That means it will come here. So answer is 983.8. Yes. Yes. Shreya, like what you are typing? Okay? Understood how to do? Yes or no? Yes. 5,985.7.
5,985.7.
Okay, got understood how to multiply 10, 100 and 1000?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I will ask you to tell directly answer. You have to tell me the answer directly.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
96.82 multiplied with 10.
Ma'am, 968.2.
Yes, correct. 968. 968.2. Right side, Shreyash. You are shifting to left side. How you tell 9 point? You have to shift to right side. 968.
I thought I should put from starting.
No. Multiply means shifting to right side. Please remember that. Okay. Yes, yes.
And I didn't understand.
See, whenever your 10 is there, it's when you have to multiply with multiples of 10, 100 and 1000. We have not to do the long multiplication. Directly we have to shift the point. 1 0 is there means this point will shift to one digit right side. So answer is this point is shifted to here. So 968.2. Now understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one more. One more. Again we'll do some more examples. 28.35 multiply with 100.
Ma'am, 2. It's
Two zeros are there.
2835.0.
Two digit. Two zeros means point will shift two digit to this side. 1, 2.
Ma'am, 2000.
Yes. 2,835 and here nothing is there, so I am putting here 0.0. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Shreya? Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, well, I'll ask again. 0.6492 multiply with 1000.
Ma'am, 670, ma'am. Ma'am, 9.210. 649.2.
Three zeros are there.
649.2, ma'am.
Yes, 649.2. Three zeros means point will shift. 1, 2, 3. It will come here. 0.2. So this point will shift here 3 digits. So answer is 649.2. Okay, all understood now how to multiply whole number and this with 10, 100 and 1000. All understood? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will see how we can multiply two decimal numbers. Means both will have the decimal point. That time how we can multiply. See carefully. 5.12 multiply with 1.5. Here we can see that both are having the decimal point. Okay. So here Same method we have to follow. When we are multiplying, we have not to take the decimal point. We have to take the only numbers and multiply. Now see here, this is 512. 512 multiply with 15. First we have to multiply. Afterwards we have to put the decimal point. So first multiply. If you know 15 table, directly we can do. 15 to the 30. Yes, very good. 15 1 15 plus 3. Yes, 18. Yes. 15 5 75 plus 1. Yes. So we got answer as 7,680. Now see carefully. Now listen carefully. Wait. Now Shreyash, be quiet. Everyone be quiet. Listen now. We have multiplied. Now we have to put the decimal point. Now when we are putting the decimal point, we have to count digits of both. See here after decimal point, 2 digits are there. And here after decimal point, 1 digit is there. So this 2 plus 1 is 3. So total 3 digits are there after decimal point. So from right side we have to count 1, 2, 3 and then put the decimal point. Understood? Yes, 7.680. Or we can say 0 also if you will not say it's okay. 7.68. Understood? We have to count all three. All both. Here also 1, 2 and this 3. Then we have to put the decimal point. Okay, we'll see again example. Multiplied with 1.3. 60.2 multiply with 1.3. So first take 602 and 13. So we can multiply with 13. 13 to the 13 to the 26. 0 the 0 and 2. 13 6 the 72 or 78. Okay, so we multiplied. We have got 7. Yes. So here we know. Here we can see after decimal point here 1 digit. And here 1 digit. Only 2 digits are there after decimal point. Yes. So from right side we have to count. Yes. So answer is 78.26. Now understood? How to multiply? Multiplication is same. Only here new is you have to put the decimal point. That is new. But if in decimal lesson, in decimal examples, if you not put decimal point, then your full answer will be wrong. So after multiplication, we have to put the decimal point. Here while multiplying, don't put the decimal point. But for addition and subtraction, we have to put the decimal point. while adding and subtracting. But for multiplication and division, multiplication don't put the decimal point while multiplying. Afterwards, we have to put. Okay, now I will give you one sum. You do and tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
0.59 multiply with 0.4. Multiply and tell me the answer.
And 0.236. Ma'am, 0.236.
Yes?
What
What you got?
0.236.
Here after decimal, 1, 2, 3 digits are there. Correct? All got same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes. All understood now how to do? Yes. Again I will give you some. 4.03 multiplied with 0.9.
Ma'am, 3.627. 3.627.
See your children?
3.627.
Yes. Don't use any other thing for multiplication. You should multiply yourself. Yes. 3.62. Yes. All got same answer?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. I will give again one more example. 216.08 multiplied with 4.8. This will take time, so don't tell direct answer. Don't do by any different gadget. Multiply yourself.
Ma'am, 481. What happened? 37.184.
Yes, all are others are getting. Let them do all other children. Wait. Yes. Multiply fast.
Ma'am, 1037.184.
1037 point.
184. Ma'am, 184.
Yes, all others have got same answer.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wait, some are solving still. Let them complete. Till then, I'll give different. Two point one multiplied with 3.3.
Ma'am, 1070.
Yes. 1037.184.
Ma'am, 6.93. Ma'am, 6.93.
Yes, there. Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Wait. Don't shout. Let the other children solve. See, there's 2.1 into 3.3.
Ma'am, 6.93.
Yes, very good. Okay?
6.93.
Yes, 6.93, not 6.93. It is 6.93.
93.
Okay. So this all three method you understood how to multiply?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now see you can open page number 96. There you are having word sums based on this multiplication. Yes. See first one. Here, if Yash drives his car at an average speed of 60.2 miles per hour, what distance will Yash? Page number 96. Okay, so distance with Yash drive his car in 1.5 hours. So here they have given that Yash drives his car and his speed is how much? 60.2 miles per hour in 1 hour. In 1 hour, it is given as 60.2. We have to find out how much distance it traveled in 1.5 hours, 1.5 hours. So we don't know the how in 1 hour he is traveling like this much. So in 1.5 hour how much? What we have to do? Yes. So 60.2 multiplied with
90.3.
yes. Very good. 90.3 miles. It will come answer as 90.30. Yes, 90.30 miles. Yes. Okay. Next one. Aditya bought 3.4 kilograms of coffee that cost rupees 6.95 per kilogram. Per means 1. So for 1 kg, how much rupees? 6.95 for 1 kg. So they are asking how much money did she spend. So for 3.4 kg, how much? 1 kg is given 6.95. So for 3.4 kg, how much? So 6.95 multiply with 3.4. Do and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 23.63. 23.63.
Wait, Shreyash.
23.63.
Yes.
Ma'am, 23.63. Ma'am, 23.63.
We got this answer 2360 and 3 decimal. So we are getting 23.630 or 63. So the statements you can write your own how the cost of coffee for 1 kg is given. So cost of 1 kg. So for cost of 3.4 kg is equal to this like this 6.95 multiplied with 3.4. How we write for simple word sum same statement same type of statements we can write for this decimals also. Okay. So this multiplication you are having any doubt?
No.